In this video, we're going to take a deep dive into the performance of the E100 and its performance on both Alephium and radium, specifically the VU35P FPGA. This board is found in both the E100 and E300 models. The difference is 1 versus 3 boards, so the clock speeds discussed will be applicable to both. Osprey Electronics has done a decent job in providing reference material on their website. This provided me a good resource to help test the settings. Let's remember, individual results will vary, influenced by such variables such as the type of power supply and how hard the fans are being pushed. So let's review those two talking points. For today, I'm using a single gold-rated 750 watt power supply connected to a typical breakout board. The fans are fixed at a rating of 6, and I'm measuring the power by a wall meter that is exclusively only running the E100. Let's get started with Alephium, which uses the Blake 3 algorithm and was most recently added with the N2.0.25 firmware. Within the video, I will focus on 3 different clock speeds. The intent is to demonstrate the performance at the low end, the high end, and somewhere approximately in the middle. Per the recommendations by the developer, the use of the pool Viper.net is highly encouraged. This led to the following performance. Let's remember, if you're operating the E300, one can estimate their performance by multiplying these numbers by 3. In review, we see that the FPGA performs better than a single RTX 4080, and at only 97 watts. Within the Discord community, there has been some conversation about the support of other pools besides Viper.net. For example, Unminable, where one can mine Alephium but be paid out by a number of other coins. Let's take a look using the same settings. It's not that one cannot mine to another pool, it's just a matter of reduction to performance. In this case, on average of 11%. Are these the best clock speeds to use? Maybe, I'll let you decide, but this provides an example on how things scale with the different settings. Just keep in mind, if the higher clock speeds are used, there will be a ripple effect in such decisions as increased temperatures and additional power draw. Let's move on to Radiant. When it comes to running a GPU with less power, Radiant has become a favorite of mine. How does its algorithm translate when operating on an FPGA? Let's find out. In review of the results, specifically in the middle, the E100 matches the performance of an RTX 4090. Of course, we knew to expect the FPGA to perform better than any GPU, especially when thinking of efficiency, since that is the whole reason to invest in them. Yes, the E100 or E300 will be a greater, if not equal to, investment compared to the RTX 4090. However, in the long run, and with some good fortune, users will always have better daily yields, leading to a better margin. That said, we're dependent on further development from Osprey Electronics, which to their credit has been demonstrated in both further firmware development and an active participation on Discord, as well as their own website. Do you have one of the 2 models from Osprey Electronics? What are you mining? Make sure to leave a comment below. If this video was of interest, please take a moment to hit the like button. New subscribers are always appreciated. Be mindful of your uptime, and thanks for watching.